Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on home screen and wallpaper. Now you need to select themes over here and tap on the best one for you, like gold and sand. Then select apply and wait. As you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed, but you can always go into settings again, choose home screen and wallpaper and tap on themes. Then select more themes. After that, click on the search bar or select top, or for example categories, I will go with top though. Click on free, latest or paid. Click on the best theme for you, I will go with that one. Select download and click on OK. Now you need to wait a bit. Select apply, click on keep or discard if you wish to. And tap on home button. As you can see, theme of my device was changed again. If you wish to go back into the default one, you can always go into settings, exactly the same options, and tap on one of those, like for example tropical holiday, then select apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!